All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Let's go ahead and run it. Yo, 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 yo. What is up, everybody? Bias? I have no idea. I haven't checked yet. All right. So let's get right into my bias, right? I was just waiting for a little bit more people to join. This is practice account. Um, practice. They want to copy your traits, but opposite way he'll get profitable type shit. All right, let's get right into it. Pretty much, I am. Oh, pretty, pretty much, I am. I have no idea. So let's see what London and Asia did. Right here, it looks like we pumped. Right, looks like we're obviously pumping here, and we swept out Asia low. You got a change in state of delivery to the upside, and I'm pretty bullish, and I'm looking for these highs up here. So I'm looking for potential price to come back down, type a higher time frame imbalance, and then push back up to the upside and take out these highs. So my bias is bullish going into the day. You feel me? Yo, hi Janksy, hi Young Steffi, hi the OG Python, hi JLC Trades, Purge. That's scary. So this is my dealing range. I'm looking to buy at discount and sell them a premium. Look at SMT. We have SMT here. We have SMT divergence here. So I'm looking for bullishness signs, and I'm looking for higher prices. I want to see price come down to 50% mark of the range, tap discount area of the range, kind of chop a little bit, and then push back up to the upside to take out these highs. So right now, as we're talking, I am just waiting for price to come back down to discount area of the range, and then I'll look for potential longs to the upside. Oh, let me get rid of this. In the middle of the night, in the middle of the night, let's go. Let's go ahead. Like I said, I want to see price come back down. This is exactly what I want price to do, right? Like kind of chop around here, fake out, come back down, sweep out, inverse fair value gap. That is something I want price to do here. So I wouldn't look for any imbalances on 1 hour time frame. Scale into the imbalance, look for lows. They get taken out in the balance. Yeah, exactly. So I know that we're going to be in this hourly imbalance here if we're in the 50% mark of the range. So in the middle of the night. If you guys haven't liked it, make sure you guys go ahead and like the stream. That would be very appreciated. If you don't ever stream for this long again, I'm going to come to your house. Oh shit. I mean, you weren't making any money without me because what is it? Because you weren't taking the opposite trades of me. I got you. Like, oh no, I was messing with you. What's your win rate now? The real one, not the fake 70%. It's probably like 30 to 40%, honestly. But I lose a lot. But I've kind of fixed my. Well, I would hope I fixed my risk management. It's a lot better now. But yeah, I am looking for longs right now. Price is just very slow. So I want to see price come back down to 50% mark of the range here. But to be fair, like this fair value gap is in discount. So we could have just looked long off here, but this is probably a fake out here. I want to see price come back down, sweep it out one more time, tapping 50% mark, consolidate a little bit, go fake up, fake buyers, come back down, sweep out that low, and then go back higher. Yeah, I know. I think because whenever I was back testing yesterday, like my risk management wasn't bad at all. It was like I was risking like I would say like on average it was like 50 points, to be honest with you. Like 50 to 60 points depending on the setup. There we go. See, I told you guys I want to see price come back up, chop it around, come back down, tap 50% mark. Fake out buyers here. Come back down, sweep at that low, consolidate for a little bit, and then push back up to the upside. You're trading futures? Yes, I am trading futures. No, I fixed my. I don't want to say I fixed it. I've gotten better. Oh, not that. Not better. I've gone what is it? I've gone slightly better, but we'll see what happens right here. I'm looking for longs. I want to see price come back up, fake out buyers. Since we tapped 50% mark, this is another active support. I want to see if people. I want to see people start buying here, and then come back down, sweep it out that low, and then go higher. In a higher time frame, we are in this order block here also, and yeah, this should be a protected low, and this is the next leg up to the upside. Here, fake out buyers, come back down, sweep out these lows, tap this imbalance, SMT, and rest for value gap, they go higher. Yeah, exactly. I think I wasn't waiting for structure. Like I was entering off the first inducement cannon. I would get stopped out a lot. I took the buy from to the data high in 950, 859 to macro. Is it macro at that time? I didn't realize it was macro at that time. Yo, what's up, Sloppy? Oh, let me get rid of that. Sorry. Don't let me down, 'cause you know this. I think we got likes today. I have no idea. What's your balance now? This is on a 150K practice account, so it doesn't really matter. But I took two trades yesterday, and I made about 2,500. But but my demo balance is negative. Yeah, for sure. For sure. For sure. Yes, I did fail my combine. I think it was because I was taking bad trades. Obviously, I gotta take better trades and be more patient with my entries. Bro, did you guys see the debate yesterday, bro? Shit was crazy. I was they got into it, bro. It was like the first like I think first debate I've ever watched about presidency at least. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Dude, my entire for you page is Trump versus Kamala. Yeah, dude, it was good, bro. It was a good debate. It was like I think Trump doesn't. It was like the first like two topics were about the first two topics. It was two topics, and then it was about abortion, bro. I'm like, bro, no way. Daddy Q, I have to click off and get ready for the 10 a.m. candle, but when I'm finished, I'll be back at it. All right, I got you, bro. I got you. Run it up. All right, see, this is exactly what I wanted to happen. Told you we're gonna come back. Boom, chop. Come back down to 50% mark. Sweep. Fake out buyers. Come back down. Inverse rag gap. Go higher. And we'll sweep out some sort of low. We'll see if this works because I do realize that we've already swept out this high here also, but we have no higher time frame PD rate to let us go back down, right? So, and we're starting to form bullish structure here too. So I'm going to go for longs, but said it's probably another fake out here. Not looking to do anything yet. You look well rested. Yeah, dude. I slept pretty well last night. Honestly, what is it? Like last night I back tested until like 12 a.m. and then I went to bed. And I shit you not, I'm up to like 1 or 2 o'clock just back testing. And I actually slept pretty early last night. I slept at like 1 o'clock, but I woke up still kind of tired. So, but I feel great today. See what happens here. Now this is probably your fake out here. You don't ever want to buy 50 in premium, so I'm gonna wait. Like I said, if we start to pump up, I'll look to do a dealing range in this leg that has swept this low out and this low and go higher. Zoom out. Look at the 15-minute. Look what happened there. Tap the order block. Oh, tap the consequent encroachment of this order block. Yeah, tap the consequent encroachment of that order block there. This could have been your soup right here, but sad. I want to wait for more confirmation here. Yeah, there probably is an SMT. I just don't feel comfortable taking it. Yeah, we have major SMT between ES and Q right here. I want to see price now come down. This is probably the fake out right here. People see this big candle here. People are like, okay, I'm going to buy here at this fair value gap. I want to see price run through this gap here. Sweep out this low. Tap this imbalance. Form some more structure. Inverse fair value gap. I'll go higher prices. So we're kind of running through this imbalance here. Yeah, we had just run that through. So now we wait. Don't let me down. Dude, I want a coffee so bad though too. No bad. It's good you learned that big candle would be an entry off the old queue. Yeah, but if we got to change the state of delivery here, I would have waited for more structure to form out. Sweep it low, go higher. This is definitely a lot slower than FX replay for sure. For sure. Do we have news? We don't have news. News has already happened, so we should be chilling. Bro, gonna phone with nah, bro. I'm built different now. I'm built different now, my boy. Oh shit! Thank you, Fred fans fan, for the rose, brother. I appreciate that. Thank you. Oh yes, sir. To the other color. No, I like it like this. It looks a lot more clean. It looks clean. Thank you for the rose. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna need it, bro. Low key. Yo, my favorite trader. How's it going? It's going great, brother. Slept pretty good. Did everything pretty good today. Or, well, the morning just fucking started, but did everything decent today. See, look at that. Well, I wanted to see price flush. Now I want to see a fair value gap here get created, and this fair value gap here was getting respect is now tapped. I want to see a fair value gap here, inverse that fair value gap, and then go higher prices. Hope you get some W's today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hopefully that's the plan. We do also have this fair value gap down here also. Big garish candle here. Okay, so next, what we have to do is run through this fair value gap right here that we're going to create. If we do create it, we have to run through it. And once we run through it, I'm looking to place my long position. It will also be low. Will also be below discount. Will also, yeah, well, we'll be below discount. That's what I was waiting for more often. That's what I'm going to be waiting for most of the days or most of the time now. Fair value gap. We've swept out the slow. We have SMT at these lows here. We're respecting these gaps here. I want to see price run through this gap. And once we do that, I'll look to enter my long position. There we go. Not looking too long just yet. We still got this candle here. 35 seconds left before I even enter. So like if we close above here, I'm gonna wait until price kind of dips it back down to discount level, and then I'll enter. I never want to like maybe I'm taking it too seriously, but that's the point. Okay, there we go. Placing my long position here. My stops are pretty tight, just at this candle here. I got a pretty good fill. Let's see how this plays out. Said stops are there, and then targets are these highs. I get stopped out. I get stopped out. There's nothing much I can do. I'm following my plan. This plan looks great. I'm going to go and follow it up. Follow it. Like I said, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. There's nothing much I can do about that. This is everything I already want to see, right? We came back down to discount area of this level. We stopped at this low. Like I said, this is everything I wanted to see. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Okay, we got stopped out. Like I said, I followed my plan exactly. This is exactly how I wanted it to go. But I'll look for another re-entry if possible. Yes, maybe if I put my stops right here at this low, we would have been probably been fine still. But at the same time, it would have been a really wide stop loss. Really wide stop loss. Falling knife. No, we're bullish overall. This is probably this is just a retracement back down to equilibrium of this range. Like I said, I'm bullish overall. Higher time frame. We're bullish structure in the 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute, 15 minute. We're bullish overall. I'm not really. We're bullish. So I'm waiting for more structure to form out now. Since this trade got stopped out, I'm gonna wait one more time. Let's see what happens here. This would be a swing point here. Maybe my stops could have been down here, but like I said, this is probably the safest stop for me. Like I said, I'm just gonna wait. I mean, like I said, looks like we're coming back up to my break-even point, but I'm okay taking this loss because I followed my. This was exactly what I wanted to see. My exact from the beginning of 930. This is what I wanted to see. Price come back down to 50% mark, sweep, sweep, inverse red gap, enter off of that. That's literally what I wanted to see. So, like I said, I'm gonna wait, be more patient, and wait for another setup here. Yeah, bro. If it dumps, it dumps. I mean, if it dumps, it dumps. I mean, there's nothing much I can do about that, right? I walked in here bullish bias, and I may look to switch my bias if after we sweep out these lows. But as of right now, I am bullish bias, and if it dumps, it dumps. I mean, there's nothing much I can do. You feel me? We just swept out this low. We have SMT at these lows here, but I'll miss the moves. But my I'll miss the moves, but I follow my plan, which is correctly, which is correct. Who knows? The draw liquidity could be this low, and but as of right now, I'm bullish, and the reason why I say that is because structure is showing bullishness. We're not. Yes, we swept out this high, but we swept out this high, but we're not. It's probably just a retracement on the higher time frame after this high was swept. And we have major SMT. ES is already. Oh, has it swept at that data low yet? Yeah, we have major SMT between ESN and Q. And ES has already swept out data lows. And 950 macro starting up too. I'm going to enter off of this change of state of delivery if we do it again. This is be my second trade if we do take it. We'll have a change of state of delivery here. Okay. I was like, why is it not working? All right, I'm taking this long position here. Stops at this low now because change of state of delivery is quite different. So entering off the change of state of delivery. Targets are these highs and higher. Looking at partial. This looks like low resistance liquidity to me. Low resistance. We're in 950 macro. We swept up this low. We're in a higher time frame for value gap too, I'm pretty sure. And we got a change in state of delivery here. Oh yeah. So we have a new gap, a volume balance here also. Like this looks like volume. This looks like low resistance liquidity to me. I'm looking at partial off at this high. So let's go ahead and play it out. Let's see. President contemplating encouragement of this change in state delivery right now, which is good. If we close above this bearish candle here, this would be your propulsion block. Damn. Hey, it's gonna bro. Like, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. So, like I said, the reason why I told you, the reason why I took this was because fib price came down, tap 50% mark at this range, entered off this inversion fair value gap, stopped out, tap this, change the state of delivery, stopped out. So this is on practice account. So I'm just practice account. So I'm just like risking whatever cons I want to risk realistically. And the thing is, how is the trend bearish when we have no structure, bro? We have no structure. Or we're just down on a slow downtrend here. But higher time frame, we're bullish overall. We have no PD arrays that are making us go down. We just swept out liquidity, but this liquidity level is in no higher time frame fair value gap or any type of order block or anything. Hmm. I mean, I guess the daily's bearish, but doesn't it go like this? Boom, 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 boom. I still think longs are the move, low key. I still think longs are the move. Is that bad? Is that bad? Yes, it's bad. I'm not gonna enter again. Said I want to risk myself to like one or two trades, but right here I probably would have entered if we get the change of state of delivery here again. Cause like, let's see. We're in deep discount of this range. I think we're bullish though still. I'm not gonna enter. I'm just gonna yeah. Go watch some Blasian and learn from him. He should be a swing trader. I mean, maybe this is the liquidity point that we wanted to come down and sweep out. Yeah, I'm not listening to chat. I'm doing what I see and what I want to do. Like, yes, it's bearish. I think it's bullish, and that's literally fine. I mean, that's literally fine. Maybe this is your potential chance to go longs. And like I said, if I was taking this, I probably would have taken it here. If once this candle closes above this bearish candle here, I would be like, okay, look, change of state of delivery. I'm entering my longs. but I want to see some structure form out here though. Why are you bullish? The reason why I would say I'm bullish is because structure on the 4 hour is bullish. Daily, yes, we got this big trend here down, but this looks like a retracement, honestly. Um, Weekly, we ran through this gap here. Ran through that gap. In daily fib. Below discount. 4 hour structure shows bullishness. We broke structure to the upside. We inverse these gaps. We have no reason to come back even lower. So that's why I'm pretty bullish. Yes, I know we swept up this high. It's probably a retracement to a higher time frame for a value gap. But we do have SMT at these lows. Like I said, I told you this longs could play out now. And I would put my stops. That's a wide ass stop loss. Shit. Like right there. And then target higher. This looks like low resistance liquidity here. Low resistance liquidity. Prices should come up and sweep out these highs. And I even entered at around 950 macro here also. So that's great. That's also a good thing that I did. I think I did everything that I wanted to do. I think I did everything correct here, but I was just incorrect. I was just incorrect. I took the wrong trades, and I think longs are still the move here. As you can tell, drawing this low from this low to this low, we came back down top discount area of this range. We have this, and we also had liquidity points level here. We sweep SMT, change state of delivery, but maybe I should have been like, okay, look, we're in a major downtrend. We're kind of just slowly coming down. Your market maker model, and maybe I could wait for some displacement through a high, chop, sweep out the low, and then go higher. Maybe I could have done that. But like I said, I think longs are still the move here. I just don't feel comfortable entering. Maybe I need to wait for like major displacement here to take out these lows or to take out these highs. Displacement, chop, sweep out the low, inverse value gap. Maybe I need to wait for displacement here. I literally need to start live streaming trading. If this guy can get people to watch, I definitely can. What do you consider A plus setup from your playbook? Like exactly this. I think these were, in my opinion, I feel like this one was probably my best one. This one was okay. This one was, I feel like both of them were good. I've been doing that a lot yesterday. Like, yes, it's technically pattern trading, but I was bullish overall, so I don't really consider it as pattern trading. I'm just on the wrong side of the markets, technically. Asia displace. We swapped out the Asia low. We swapped out Asia low. We came back up, changed the state of delivery. Also tapped the discounted PD array here. Also a discounted PD array, and we have SMT at these lows between ES and Q. So that's why I'm pretty bullish. But right now, it looks like after we swapped out this high, we had a change in state of delivery here on the hourly. So shorts could start to look good now, in my opinion, to take out these CPI lows, right? Because if you look here, sweep. But the only problem here I have with it is that we're not doing it in a higher time for fair value gap. I mean, I guess this volume balance here works. It does work. We tapped the volume bounce, nice rejection off of it. On the hourly, we got a CISD. So now this happens, right? I could be switching my bias to bearish. Looks like price decides to come back up, tap the CISD, start to displace here. I want to see price. If I do start to go for shorts, I want to see price come back, sweep out all of these highs, and then potentially come back down to go lower. But like I said, I need to be a trader that knows when to switch his bias. And that's when I could start to switch my bias after that hourly changes to delivery and stupid liquidity here. But we just have so much low resistance liquidity here to the point where I'm like, okay, look, we have so much low resistance liquidity, it's kind of iffy. Dude paying rent, moved in, living on the other side of the market, I guess, type shit. Why did you long? The reason why I went longs, great question. Um, I drew my fib. I wanted to see higher prices because at the time we had Asia low come down, sweep out. We swept out Asia low. We have a discounted PDA rate here. We got a change in state of delivery here. So I was realistically looking for longs, and I was looking for take out these highs because at the time we never really had a higher time frame PD array to direct us going down except this volume balance, and then price came down. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Price came down, fake out move to the upside, big displacement, fake out buyers, boom, sweep out this low, sweep out this internal low here also, and we also tapped the PD array on the left side, a PD array here, and off this inverse fair value gap. I think this was a pretty decent setup, in my opinion. So I'm not really too mad. The same thing here happened here. I re-entered, got stopped out, and it's going to happen, bro. Unprofitable traders giving unprofitable traders advice is funny. Yeah, no, I'm just giving you what I saw, and if you don't like that, then it's just I don't know. Can you please, I beg, just a second for it. Just use the 15-minute SMT and 5 minute for entry. I mean, the thing is, if I was to use a 5 minute for entry, where would I entry, bro? Like a fair value gap type shit? Brother, don't take this the wrong way, but you ain't ready for the 1 minute entries. Start with the 5 minute entries. Do you think you'll be going to be profitable in the future? Yes, absolutely. Daily profits are good, but if you're lacking in understanding what PD arrays hold actual value during its current sell buy program, then you simply be trading the similar how to trades as bull flags. Yes, yeah, because I've been using a lot. Like I saw that we had the daily a bullish daily profile. It's where London manipulates. London manipulates. But this could have also been your New York reversal here. I'll have to recheck it after the live stream, but hold up, let me check it really quick. I think I have it here. Oh, like this could have been your New York reversal here. Did we have SMT at these highs? We did not have SMT at these highs, but we did type a higher time frame fair value gap. Well, yeah, we did not have SMT at these highs, but We test the higher, technically a volume balance for your New York reversal here. But yeah. But if you really think about it, London didn't really manipulate. I guess 1 o'clock is when it started to manipulate, which is not technically during London. So I guess it didn't really manipulate. You know what I mean? Q ICT teacher said don't trade a day. Why are you trading today? Because I don't give a fuck. Like I give a fuck, but like I don't like if I see a trade that I'm gonna like that I like, I'm gonna take it. Yes, I execute in the 5 minute. It's way less manipulated. 5 minute to 15 minute. I don't think we were at the bottom. I was bullish bias. That's why. Like right here, I could be like, okay, look, I am drawing my fib here. We're in discount, but as of right now, we got to change the standard deliver on the hourly. Like as you said, this is bullish structure, bro. This is bullish structure, and today is Wednesday, so it should be expansion. Like I said, bro, I'm gonna be bullish, and that's literally fine, bro. Everybody sees the markets differently, and I'm honestly not mad that I took losses today. Those are the trades that I wanted to take. Those are the trades that like I said, those are the trades that I wanted to take, and that's literally fine. I don't think my entry was shit. Realistically, I don't think my entry was shit. Yes, maybe I could have waited for more structure, but the more structure, like form some more structure, come back down even more. Maybe yeah, maybe I need to wait for more structure next time. Right here, I don't think this trade was terrible. We got it. Yeah. We're down 300 points for the highs. It don't care for your daily buys for 20 points. Yeah, I mean, I guess. Said, I'm not too worried. I followed my plan exactly how I wanted to follow it. So I'm not mad at myself. I'm gonna go ahead and journal it. I followed my plan. I did everything correctly, but was on the wrong side of the market, and it's gonna happen, bro. It's literally gonna happen. You talking about no structure to short, but you're longing off no structure. Thing is, we've already had like structure here. Like, bro, why would we short here? Why would we short? We never got structure to the downside until recently, until after 10 a.m. Right? So, right, where is your structure here? Yes, we swept out liquidity, but if we're bullish overall, we should be running through this liquidity pool. We displace above these highs. I'm like, okay, look, probably gonna come back down, retrace, go higher. But it's all good. I followed my plan exactly how I wanted to follow it. I'm gonna go ahead and journal this in the books. Let's go ahead and do this really quick. Journal it and call it a day. Got a long day ahead of me. Gotta make some edits and shit like that. Let's go here. Journal it. So I journaled yesterday here. 9/11 here. bold heading. And then let's go on the hourly. Let's go ahead and put out our pivots. Let's go to run that. Oh, you guys can't even see it, bro. Some of you guys can't even see it, bro. Give me a second. There we go. Okay. What I did right today. I think I did everything I wanted to do. I don't think I did anything wrong. Price was bullish structure overall, and I wanted to go long. Losses are going to happen. We did have CPI this morning, which could have messed up my strategy because we took out CPI high but left CPI low. But we also had SMT at those lows. And then I took 2 trades. I followed my exact plan and did everything correct. Bought below discount and sold above. Bought below discount and was pretty patient, in my opinion. Guess I was just on the wrong side of the markets today. Was just on the wrong side of the markets today. But after we swept out that external high, I didn't look to go short because we never had a CISD on the hourly until 10 a.m. and we never had a higher I guess we did have a hard time for PD array. We technically did have a volume imbalance on the daily time frame. Just overall lost on the day. Did what I could have done better was realize we were slowly coming down, generating buy side liquidity. I could have waited for more structure, for longs, or I could have waited for displacement through a high. I really thought we were bullish, but we dumped. Like I said, good trade overall, in my opinion. Good trade overall, in my opinion. Losses are going to happen. do better tomorrow. There we go. Oh, so losses are gonna happen. Yeah, I know. I should have realized since we're go or like obviously this is all in hindsight, right? Maybe I could have waited for displacement through a high to validate that we're going long. So after seeing this like slowly downtrend here, but what is it? I am not in the trade, brother. Do you want to do a backtesting session with me? I can clear any doubts you have. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's cool. Why were you long bias? The reason I was long bias, we just had bullish structure overall. We've been pumping, and at the time, yes, I noticed that we swept up this high, but we never really had any structure to um, validate that short bias, and we never had SMT, the highs for reversal, and I do realize that we are now in this volume imbalance here, but I was long bias because we did displace through these highs. We displaced through old highs, so I was pretty bullish. And I, whenever we were slowly coming down, I thought we were going to start your market maker buy model. Honestly, because this would have been your sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve. Maybe I could have waited for more displacement here, but it's all in hindsight now. It's all in hindsight. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I got a long day ahead of me. Like I said, I'm going to take losses regardless, and there's nothing much. I feel like I did everything right. Go on Discord. The video's out. Let's see. I've seen better days. What video? This person wants to show a video of me losing bias. Obviously, short bias now after we stepped at that high. Change date delivery. Uh, don't let me down. Cause you know this. You know this. In the middle of the night. Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna go and call it a day. I'll probably watch the video after, but like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, everybody. Took it out, took 2 L's, and that's literally gonna happen to the best of us. But yeah, other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow. I mean, shit. Yeah.